Have you ever wanted to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? What if you could build multiple profitable YouTube channels, just like the pros, and create a full-time income working from anywhere in the world? Well, today's your lucky day, because that's exactly what Matt Parr teaches in his YouTube program, YouTube Mastery and Monetization 3.0. This step-by-step program has helped thousands of students launch and grow faceless YouTube channels, and is the exact program that got me started 4 years ago, and is the main reason I was able to build 2 automated faceless YouTube channels with over 1 million subscribers combined, and help me earn a full-time income from home. Matt isn't just teaching theory. This guy has been there and done that when it comes to YouTube. And he runs 12 faceless automated YouTube channels, plus his Make Money Matt channel that you've probably come across at some stage if you've been looking into the make money online niche. As far as I'm concerned, this guy creates the best YouTube courses on the market. Make no mistake, Matt Parr's for real. Okay, let's walk through what's inside the course. Module 1, Welcome to YouTube Mastery. Matt gives you an overview of the course, how to navigate it, how to join the private mastermind community, and where to access your bonuses. Module 2, Overview of this method. The 3 stages to YouTube. Matt walks you through the entire YouTube blueprint. You'll get real case studies, a step-by-step checklist, and learn exactly what timeframes to expect as you grow. Module 3, Choosing a niche. This module is all about choosing your niche. Matt shows you the best high CPM niches, how to do market research properly, and even includes a list of over 100 profitable niches and more than 230 example channels to model. Module 4, Setting up your channel for success. You'll learn how to set up your channel for long-term success. This includes how to use the 33 rule, how to leverage the best YouTube tools available, planning your content strategy, and Matt's secret SEO keyword process. Module 5, Generating videos. You'll learn how to actually generate videos. Matt breaks down the anatomy of a viral video, how to systematize the creation process, write scripts, get voiceovers, and edit content for free, and where to find free content legally using fair use, complete with bonus checklists. Module 6, Uploading and optimizing videos. Matt teaches you how to upload and optimize your videos the right way. You'll learn how to create a content calendar, schedule and publish your videos, and understand how the YouTube algorithm really works, debunking the biggest myths in this space. Module 7, the Growth Module. In this module, you'll learn how to read YouTube analytics, truly go viral, and what the best times are to upload your videos based on data, not guesswork. Module 8, Monetization Module. This is where it starts getting exciting, guys. You'll explore multiple monetization methods. Matt shares how to make more money than most YouTubers and reveals his personal favorite way to monetize using YouTube. Module 9, Scaling and Outsourcing. Matt shows you how to scale and outsource. You'll learn how to hire one person to handle all your content creation, build a video creation assembly line, and you'll get fill-in-the-blank hiring templates to make the process easy. You'll even get to watch Matt hire someone in real time, which I found really helpful. Module 10, Bonuses. Module 10 is a bonus-packed section. It includes secrets to personal branding, how to do everything from your phone, and a full library of bonus checklists and cheat sheets. But it gets even better when you enroll today. When you join YouTube Mastery 3.0, you also unlock a powerful bonus package. Bonus 1 is instant access to the YouTube Mastery Mastermind group, where you can connect with other students, share strategies, and ask Matt questions directly. He answers every day and has been doing it consistently for over 5 years. Bonus 2 is a list of over 100 profitable niches, plus example channels that are already crushing it. This will help you choose the best niche right away or validate the one you already picked. Bonus 3 is a mega list of over 239 example channels. These are proven channels in just about every niche you can imagine, giving you inspiration and direction with no guesswork. Bonus 4 includes Matt's fill-in-the-blank video script templates. These make it easy to write videos that perform, and they're built for both faceless list channels and personal brand channels. Bonus 5 is an entire course on YouTube channel case studies. You'll see inside real channels in different niches to help you decide what to build and how to replicate success. And if that's not enough, you're protected by a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied, you'll get your money back. No questions asked. So if you're ready to build a real YouTube business, now is the best time in history to start. Especially with the help of AI, it's way easier to do than it was when I first started. So click the link below in the description or the comments section and start your YouTube journey today. Believe me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.